How to disable your account on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video will show you how to disable your account on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then click on your profile here to go to the settings and then click my account, this one, and now all you need to do is just click this one, disable account. Click on it and then click and enter your password and then click disable, and if you do this one your account will be disabled. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch this video, and see you in the next video.